Bubba Puss. You're so cute.
You know you're really supposed to go home with me, right?
You're so cute. Yeah, your dogs would really take him in well.
Our first camp out we were gonna stay out there until it got dark, or until whenever they came for you, right? I came and sat up here with him in the dark. Yeah.
Such a sweetie. You're such a sweetie.
Let's see the kitties. The kitties room. Whoa! That cat scare you? Yeah, go all the way to the end and then back. Stop at a cage and see what happens. Nope. You like cats, I don't like cats. Or I shouldn't say that. You like cats and I cannot be interested. She says, I'll stay on this side of you. Yeah. So it's a pretty dog. Let me see it. Let me have it. Let me have it.